wondered why I'm sitting in this corner. It's because like my recording device is low on batteries, so I have to charge it up. Otherwise, it will turn off in the middle of the recording, and can't have that, right? Anyways, let's see. Oh yes, I was gonna show you the picture of the bottom half. Alright, I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna keep talking. My voice might get a little bit quieter as I walk a little bit farther. Alright, I'm coming back with my phone. We'll look up a picture on the internet of this Renuzit thing. Sent. Wait, is this classified as a candle? Or is it something else entirely? Because it does remind me of a scented candle, but at the same time, it doesn't need to be lit. Yeah, what is it? Hold on. Maybe maybe it's like a solid chunk of perfume. Maybe that's what it technically is. Oh yes, it's a gel air freshener. That's what it is. Here we go. So I found the picture. This is what it. Whoops, I'm blocking the camera. Okay, come on, focus. Okay, that's yeah, not bad. If only I can just like grab that up, like make it pop out, and then I can like rotate it so I can show you like the back side. Hold on, maybe if I look up on the internet a bit more, I can find like the back side or something. Okay, let's see. Nope, front side. Yeah, there are pictures of the front side. Wait, except for this, but it's the wrong one. Let's see. Oh, interesting. They have this. I didn't know that. Let's see. Well, looks like I can't find it. Oh wait. No, that's different. But anyways, that's not important. Let's see. Recently, I've been to this Indian restaurant, and I've seen another one of these gel air fresheners. I think the one I've seen is maybe. Let's see. Where is it? Oh shoot! Did I lost it? It smelled pretty good. I guess there's a story behind it. So, at that Indian restaurant, I was eating with a friend of mine, and I ordered this cheese onion soup thing, and then the waiter asked us if we wanted like this Indian bread thing or rice. Let's see, I think this bread thing is, what's it called? I think it starts with a P. Hold on. Indian, whoops. Indian bread thing. Yes, it's called naan. Oh, it's also called Kamiri. I I didn't know that. I didn't know that, but now I do. So I was trying to eat this soup without the naan bread, and I was like feeling so full. I was like, ugh. I just like I thought that there were like three like naan breads, right? And that there was this one naan bread just sitting there. And then Connor says, actually, there was four naan bread. So it turns out I could have eaten another one. Then after I ate that naan bread, I was able to finish the rest of my soup thing. I don't remember what it was called. Yeah, I could have vomited if I just kept eating that soup without that naan bread, but fortunately, I got my balanced meal. Because that's what happens when you try to eat an unbalanced meal. When you try to eat one thing, like, and without another thing, which helps to balance the two each other, and your body just can't handle it, and you just vomit it, or it reacts in some other adverse way. Like, for example, let's say you need some protein, but you eat a lot of carbohydrates instead. Then what happens is that you start sweating like a lot. Or let's say you needed some carbohydrates, but then you start to eat more protein, and you just feel so full and bloated. You said, and you just can't wait. But yeah, generally, it's good to listen to what your body needs. If your body needs like some salt, just add a little bit more salt. If your body needs more water, just drink water. So yeah, listen to your bodily needs. Let's see. I think. I guess I can read the back of this. Let's see. Pure ocean breeze. Performs without overpowering. Has the right freshness balance for sensitive noses. Now, I'm probably gonna butcher the French, but I'll try. Libérer une odeur de fraîcheur qui négocie passe par les narines. A dit pour les personnes sensibles, naturally derived biodegradable gel made with 98% naturally sourced ingredients. Gel biodegradable fabriqué a 98% d'ingredients they source natural. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Avoid extreme heat or cold. Tenez hors de la portée des enfants et des animaux domestiques. Évitez la chaleur or les for intense. Ingredients statement available at list the ingredient disponible at www.renuzit.com. Questions, commentary, call 1-866 Renuzit. Then there's this thing. I don't know what that is. If you know what it is, leave a comment. And yeah, maybe it's yeah. And that concludes this part. There might be another part or not. See you next time or not. Ciao. Or whatever.